Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Freecad draft tools tutorial how to create rectangle. If you want to create rectangle, you can click this icon rectangle on, or you can type R and A. I will click the rectangle icon and then check for the continue. So for the first point I will click in it and the second point at this point. If you want to create rectangles with the specific length, you can specify for the first point. And then you can type in X in it, local X, like I will set into 20. Press enter. And then set again for Y into 5. Press enter. Z into 0, enter. And then you create these rectangles with length 20 and then for width 5. Okay, you can click here to close. And then if you want to create rectangle again, you can type R and A, specify for this point. And the next you can set for the length into 30, press enter. And then for width I will set into 10, press enter again and enter. Okay, that's it for a basic Freecad draft tools tutorial how to create a rectangle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.